Welcome everyone. We had an awesome, exciting day today, having a joint stream with Methodical Man in the London session and also in the New York session. It was funny, it was cool, it was great, and we had some good trades, taking out some highs in the early London session. I was only trading on one of my accounts, which I made $183, but there is some good news, some more good news as well. Because today was maybe the last day for the sale at Bulenox for 90%. So I bought a few accounts, a few 50K accounts. And so I tried to YOLO them as much as I can. And I did blow up a few accounts there. I think I bought 6 or 7. And so I was very aggressive here at NFP News, but I did manage to pull 2 of those accounts up. But the price action after NFP, it was perfect. I really liked what happened, made the new all-time high and took out the data lows here, then took out some more sell side. It was really good. And so let me show you the details from this account. So this is the main Bulenox account that suffered some losses on Monday. So this is up $183. The Apex account, as you can see, the first one, no trade. The second Apex account, no trade. And the MyFunded Futures account, also no trade on this one. But the new Bulenox account were actually very, very good. One of these went up to $2,590, and the other one managed to make it up to $2,367. I'm not going to count these into today's results, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these accounts from next week into the main ones, which I'm sharing with you guys, and hopefully we can get these accounts to being funded in the next couple of days or weeks. Should be able to do it. It's only a few $100s for them to being funded. I'm super excited and I'm glad about that. If you guys seeing this video today on the 8th of March, you can still check these codes on Bulenox and my link. There was a great sale, so that's why I bought some accounts. And that's it. It was a great week, exciting week to say the least, and looking forward to Monday. And there's going to be a MyFunded Futures giveaway soon, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Details are coming, and that's it. Had an awesome week, 2 more accounts almost being funded. And by the way, I know I always preach go small, but today we did like a little bit of a gambling. This was on purpose. So, and fortunately 2 accounts got to be at a very, very, very good stage. So by the way, $17.50 for a 50K account at Bulenox is really a good upfront cost. So that's it, guys. See you next week, and like and subscribe. All right, see you guys.